In Joomla, tags refer to content tags, not HTML or meta tags. They function differently and offer unique benefits for your website. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll learn what are tags in Joomla 5. Tags are essentially keywords or phrases that you assign to your Joomla content items, such as articles, news feeds, contacts, and even media. Unlike categories that restrict content to a single classification, tags allow for a more flexible organization. You can assign multiple relevant tags to each item, creating connections and improving discoverability. Benefits of using tags in Joomla. More helpful navigation. Visitors can click a tag to see a list of all content items that share that tag, making it easier to find related information. 2. Improved SEO indirectly. Tags can help search engines understand the content of your website better by providing additional keywords and context. This can potentially improve your search engine ranking. 3. Easy to organize. Tags help you group things by what they have in common, even if they seem different. 4. Content discovery. Tags can help surface hidden gems on your website. Visitors browsing a specific tag might discover other interesting articles they wouldn't have found otherwise. How tags work in Joomla. 1. Assigning tags. You'll find a dedicated tags section within the editor when creating or editing content. Type in the relevant tags separated by commas and save your content. 2. Optional tag hierarchy. Joomla allows you to create parent-child relationships between tags, optional. This can be useful for establishing broader themes and subcategories within your tags. 3. Managing tags. The Joomla Tags Manager provides a central location to view, edit, or delete all existing tags on your website. How to create tags in Joomla 5. Creating tags while adding or editing content. There are the following steps. Step 1. Log in to Joomla Administrator. Step 2. Go to Articles, then create article and enter the name of tag in right side tag field. Click on New button. Enter article title and description. Now you can see tags input field at right hand side. Select or type tag and hit enter. Click on Save button. Go to Components menu and select Tags menu. Here you can see your inserted tags are stored. So you can manage all tags from here. Let's create a new tag. Click on New button. Enter title and description. Now save this tag using Save and Close button. These are the tags. And you can create new tags in articles directly or in Tags menu. To better understand, let's create an example for articles tags. Click on New button. Enter the title and description. Select tags from drop-down or insert new tag. It will be stored in tags lists. Let's check on front end site. You can see there are tags has inserted with links, so once we clicked on it, all articles has been listed which has same tags. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and share this video. Subscribe my channel JoomTech Solutions.